Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial video to help you guys fix your problem. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can set up yourself a Google Analytics account. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing in order to do this. But before that, if you guys don't know what Google Analytics is, you can link your website or any property with it and it's gonna show you the data and analytics based on that. Alright, it's a pretty helpful tool, so let me show you how to do that. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Google Analytics. So you just want to write Google Analytics on your search and click on where it says analytics.google.com. Alright, once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of Google Analytics. So wait for some time now. And yeah, you need to have a Google account in order to use it. So if you don't know how to create a Google account, you can watch our video on our channel on how to create a Google account. Alright, now it's gonna first bring you to this page. Alright, now once you're in this page, you can click on start measuring to start measuring your analytics. First, it's gonna ask you to name your account. So I'm gonna name my account YouTube. Scroll a bit down, click on next, and it's gonna ask you to name your property. So I'm gonna name it random. So I'm gonna click on next after writing random. And you can choose which type of business you have, small, large or very large, and you can tick mark this according to that as well, and click on create after you choose all of your option according to your wish, and click on I also accept the data processing terms and click on I accept. Once you do that, basically your account should be created. Once you get this tick mark success, basically you have set up yourself a Google Analytics account. Now just click on save over here and wait for some time. Now it's done. Now you can see your data over here or do anything you want over here. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can set up yourself a Google Analytics account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.